What if your subconscious mind is not allowing you to receive what you want? Learn how to be more receiving by understanding the structure of your subconscious mind. Hi, beautiful souls. I'm Bithika. Welcome to my channel, Divine Healing. If you're a subscriber watching this video, thank you so much for clicking. And if you're somebody new watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I am sure you will get some value after watching this video. So a lot of you are into manifestation game. You're manifesting a lot of things, and we all know that manifestation is all about thoughts, feelings and action. But it also makes sense when you understand your subconscious mind, because when your subconscious mind takes something, your subconscious mind is like a sponge, and when it soak a water or soak something, it will make it happen in your reality. But what if I tell you that you're not being able to manifest because your subconscious mind is not allowing that thought, feeling in your subconscious? Why? Because you're not open to receive. The gate of your subconscious mind is closed. Today I will tell you how to be more receiving, how to make your subconscious mind receive the message, the feelings, the thoughts to make things happen in reality. Let's start with number 1. Identify what kind of behavior of yours, your ideas or kind of thoughts that are acting as a blockage. The first step of becoming more receiving is identify your own behavior. Identify those kind of thoughts that makes you desperate. Thoughts that keep you in the waiting energy. Thoughts that do not make you feel certain things properly. You have to very cautiously identify these thoughts, ideas and behaviors, because these are acting as a blockage that is not allowing your subconscious mind to receive the vibration properly that you are creating. And once you identify this behavior, these ideas or thoughts, choose a different way. If you are behaving in a certain pattern, choose a different way. If your thoughts are like waiting to receive that particular manifestation, change that waiting energy into creating energy. If your idea about I am not worthy enough, but you want to look beautiful in a certain way, change that not I am worthy into I am worthy. I'm the best in the world. Choose a different way, because these are actually the blockage that is in front of the gate of your subconscious mind. Number 2. Express more gratitude for what you already have in life rather than complaining. Even if you have these teeny bits of things, show gratitude. Gratitude with your fuller heart. Gratitude not because you want to receive something. Universe get your intention very quickly. Trust me. If you are expressing your gratitude because you want to receive something, that's an intention. And if you're just normally expressing your gratitude, every day you sit for eating, you say thank you God for the food. Thank you that I have this clothes that I'm wearing. Thank you this house that I'm living. Thank you that I have parents. For very little things, when you go for taking a shower, just say thank you water. I have at least water to take shower. There are people in the world who do not have water to drink. Shower is a big thing for them. So when you start appreciating and when you start giving gratitude for what you already have, even the tiny little things, and stop complaining that, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that, and I'm manifesting. Your subconscious mind will see it as an abundant state of your mind. As in, when you say, I have so much, I'm so thankful. Your subconscious mind will be like, oh, she is so abundant. Oh, I'm so rich. Maybe you have $500 in your pocket or in your bank account, and you'll be like, oh, I'm so rich, I'm freaking rich. And you feel it, and like, yes, of course I'm freaking rich. Of course I have this $1 billion in my bank account, or whatever you want to think. You actually create, you know, fake it till you make it, like that. But do it with pure intention that I actually have. This actually creates a state of abundance in your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind becomes much more open to receive those vibration quickly. But don't fall in the loop that today you are thinking you are so abundant and you have so much and you're giving so much gratitude, and then for 1 week you don't express any gratitude. The vibration will become a little less. You have to constantly send the message or the vibration to your subconscious mind that, oh my god, I have so much, I'm so thankful to this and that and everything. Number 3, and this is my favorite: stay away from people who are unable to see, think, or feel that they can accomplish more in life. Because people's influence is a huge thing. When you are surrounded by people who cannot think big, it's better to leave that company. If you are manifesting big thing in life, people will always have an influence on your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind always, whatever it see around, it soaks. So maybe you are trying to do a lot of manifestation, maybe you're doing a lot of gratitude, you're working on your patterns, but your surroundings, your people, your friends, they be like, oh, I'm stuck in 9 to 5 job. You want to be a billionaire. But your friends be like, oh, this is not possible. My father is not rich. My father is not Ambani. Stay away from this kind of people, because these people are actually hurdle in your life to achieve your biggest goals. So stay away and protect your subconscious mind to not get disprogrammed or negative program. Number 4, and this actually works, make daily affirmations for the things that you want in life, that you are trying to attract in life. Affirmations actually works. In the beginning, it gets a little difficult. Like if you have a thought pattern of that, I'm not beautiful, I'm not this, I'm not slim, or I'm not this or that, a long programming, it takes time to reprogram it. I'm beautiful, I'm amazing, I am worthy. It takes a little time. It might take you a year or more, but it will work. So do regular affirmations about your health, about your beauty, about your desires, whatever affirmations, whatever you're manifesting. Do it every day. And I would always suggest you to write your affirmations. If you have a diary, write your affirmation at least once a day. And don't make it it's a homework. You have to do it. Do it freely because you believe it. That's why you do it. For example, if you write a diary, what you will write everything about what happened the whole day. Like this happened, this person has done that. It's so natural that you're writing it. Writing your affirmation should also be very natural. Like, oh yes, I'm pretty, like I love my smile. It's so beautiful. And like people love me. Everything is so amazing in my life. I'm so rich, I'm so healthy, I'm so amazing. I'm having the best job in the life. This has to be natural. This must not be forced. Like I have to make a routine. And at the same time, say it whenever you can, because affirmations gives a direct signal of vibration to your subconscious mind, and it actually prepare your subconscious mind to receive things. Before moving on to the last point, as always, I ask you all, if this video is giving you value, do subscribe my channel. I post videos Monday to Friday. Some of the other content will surely help you out, and trust me, you would love to binge watch my content, because I have tons of contents for almost everybody, every age, and almost solution to all your life problems. So do subscribe. Now moving on to the last point, number 5. Learn more about the people who are abundant, people who are successful, people who are your idol, people who you look up to. If you're trying to achieve something, and if somebody have that particular thing, it is a kind of prototype. The word is prototype, or I can say an example. A material manifestation. Things that has already manifested. A car that you desire. If somebody have that car, you actually can give your mind the command that, see, this is so easy to achieve because that person have it. I can have it too. Or I already have this. When you go through the lifestyle of people or the people who are already abundant, you get a lot of clue for your subconscious how to. And your subconscious get a very easy pathway to attract those things in life. So follow those people. I'm not telling follow them in social media. I mean, in real life also you can follow, you can understand why they're abundant, what is their mindset, how they speak, what they do for which they have attracted that certain things. And when you understand it from somebody who have already done it, it gets easier for your subconscious mind to attract that thing in your life. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, you subscribe this channel and take care. Bye-bye.